So in today's video, I'm going to say something very valuable as well as very important, which you should know as a digital marketer, and that is vocabulary. Yes, I'm going to talk about the marketing terms which you should know. If you're into digital marketing or marketing, even if you're a beginner or expert, you should know these marketing terms, because these marketing terms can literally make you the number one marketer in 2025. And the reason why I'm telling you these marketing terms is because I met a lot of people in past 5 years as a digital marketer who is not aware about the basic terms, the basic KPIs. So when you ask them what do they mean by API or what do they mean by KPI or ROS, they don't understand. And that is the reason they are not going into the career of digital marketing. So what I've decided is that I'm going to compile the entire marketing terms, which is very important, which is trending right now, as well as people who are expert in the industry, they are talking when they are working into the marketing or in the agency. So these terms can literally make you the pro marketer, and that is the reason you should know these terms as a beginner or even as an expert. And yes, along with that, what I've done is at the end of the video, if you stick with me, I'm going to share the entire ebook of these important marketing keywords as well as the marketing words. I'm also going to share the link of my private community which I've created only for digital marketers. So if you're someone who is really have that hunger to learn digital marketing, go and join that group, because this group can literally help you to network as well as learn digital marketing from basics to advanced level. And yes, I'm not charging anything for that group as of now, but in the future I might start. So I've opted some of the very important terms, starting in the marketing terms: accounting based term, key performance metrics, that is also known as KPIs, web strategy and optimization, tech and operation terms, the marketing and sales funnel, customer service, growth marketing, and email marketing. For now, in this video, I'm going to take some of the important metrics which I believe you should know, because if you're starting your journey, these vocabularies, we as a digital marketer always talk, we always communicate using these vocabularies. So even if you equip yourself with these vocabularies, you are good to go as a marketer. So we'll directly start with the important terms, and I'll start with the basics. And in the basics, we'll cover KPIs. So the first point in KPIs is churn rate. So churn rate, as you can see, is a measurement used to calculate customer retention and is a significant for recurring revenue for companies. So in simple language, if I have to explain you, it is nothing but a measurement to calculate if my customer is coming to me again and again. If the customer is paying you and he is becoming part of your recurring revenue, that means that particular KPIs, or you can say measurement, is called churn rate. You should always know this. You can always write this down. Know this because this is very important. Every business nowadays, especially businesses related to software service, that is SaaS businesses, they are typically relying on churn rate. Okay, the second point is CAC, that is customer acquisition cost. The name itself suggests the meaning of the term, that is the cost which we are going to occur to acquire that customer. So the formula which we have for CAC is, that means if you want to know how we are going to calculate the CAC, you have to simply use this formula, that is total amount spent on sales and marketing in a period upon number of customers signed during that period. Now this can be signed, or this can be people who have enrolled or bought your services or product. So that is your customer acquisition cost. Next is again very typical and very common language we use in Facebook ad, Google ads, and in any paid media work you see, we always use this term, that is CPL. CPL is nothing but cost per lead. So if you see, it is nothing but the amount spent on acquiring a lead. Now here I'm not talking about customer, I am talking about lead. Very important. So Your lead can be sign up. If you are getting a lead, that is name, customer, mobile number, his email, that is a lead. So every time you spend certain amount on getting a lead, that is your cost per lead or CPL. Next is KPIs. That is what we are discussing today. KPIs is nothing but key performance indicator. This is the parameter we track basically to see the progress in the marketing. It is measurable values that shows how effectively a company is achieving its marketing objective. So very important, KPI is something which you need to understand. Next is customer lifetime value, that is CLV. Now customer lifetime value is again a point which you can relate with the CAC. Now CLV in simple language is a predictable net profit associated with future relationship with the customer. That means every time I spend certain amount on your business or on your services for the lifetime, right? For the future event or occurrence, that will be the CLV for the business. So to calculate this, all you do is customer revenue minus gross margin upon churn rate. Now just to refresh your memory again, we'll see the churn rate. Churn rate was, if you see, the measurement we calculated to retain the customer, right? And that is basically a significant recurring revenue for us. Now what you'll do here in the customer lifetime value is you will use the same formula, that is customer revenue minus gross margin upon churn rate. So customer lifetime value in simple language, again, it's something which I'll pay to business for their recurring revenue again and again. Next is growth marketing. Now growth marketing is getting a lot of traction these days. It's becoming a new buzzword after digital marketing. So in simple language, if I have to tell you about growth marketing, I have created different reel and entire video on growth marketing. But just to explain you, growth marketing is a new way to promoting a business. It's not a new way, but it is evolving day by day, which focus on quickly gaining new customers and keeping them happy. So we know funnel. So in digital marketing, we only use the last aspect of funnel. So if I have to explain you growth marketing, you need to understand this funnel first. So what we do in digital marketing is we focus a lot on purchase. We only see the bottom of the funnel, that is evaluation and purchase. But what we do in growth marketing is we focus from top of the funnel till the bottom of the funnel. That means we are entirely targeting the funnel from awareness, interest, consideration, intent, evaluation, and then purchase. Everything is taken care in growth marketing. While on the other side, if you see in digital marketing, we only focus on purchase. So that is the key difference between growth marketing and digital marketing for you to understand growth marketing. Next is API, that is application programming interface. I told you at the starting of the video itself that a lot of people are not aware about the API. So API is nothing but sets of rule, or you can say the protocols that allows one software application to interact with other. Next up in important marketing terms is brand positioning. Now brand positioning is something which you as a brand differentiate yourself from other competitors. Now how consumers identify and connect with your brand is something that is called as brand positioning. Next is brand awareness. Brand awareness, again, it's something where people can recall and recognize your brand. Now it has two components. The first one is brand recall, the second one is brand recognition. Brand recall is something where people can recall your brand. It is the measurement of how well a brand name is connected to a product recall value. Next is brand recognition. When a consumer recognizes a brand by its attribute, that can be logo or brand color, that is known as brand recognition. So Brand awareness has two components. There are 80 plus marketing terms as well as vocabularies I have curated for you. If you want to get the entire marketing terms, all you have to do is you have to take one action, that is joining my private community. This community is quite beneficial for you, as I told you in the beginning and I'm telling you in all the videos. So go and join that community. When you join that community, DM me or one of my team member and we will share the entire vocabularies ebook with you, so that you will able to revise it and save it with yourself for long term. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Don't forget to join the private community as well as download the entire ebook of the marketing terminologies and get back to me with your doubt in that private community. Till then, take care and become a pro marketer.